Hello, welcome to Think Merit Classroom. Now I will show you how to create a dynamic test. Once we go to test option, when we click on the new test button, earlier there were only two modules. One is basic, second one is advanced. Third module dynamic is also added. So in order to use this dynamic, we should have a question bank with mapped questions and which will be dynamically fetched automatically at the student end, or it can be filled by the teacher and check it manually and then create the paper. So once you click on the dynamic, it will ask you for the basic information, that is the test name, classroom, date, duration, subject, and instructions. So here I will give dynamic demo. I will select the date and time, duration. Say I want class 12 and I will select the subject. Let's say I want physics questions. Here in the instructions tab, you can give the instructions to the students. Once we move to the next page, here we can add part-wise instructions or section-wise instructions as well. Now by default, all the questions are there in one ID, that is QB admin. I will select the teacher, subject, and if I want multiple subjects, then different parts can be added and a single paper will be created for different subjects. If you want it randomly from all the subjects of physics, then no need to select any subject. Even if you select subject, then there is a topic option if you have segregated the questions topic wise as well. Okay. Now let's say I will keep 10 questions of MCQ single correct, positive mark 1. So I want 5 questions of subjective type and say 2 marks each. Okay. I will save the format. Now it will take me to the questions tab. Here I have an option to directly click on set dynamic. And once it is set dynamic, then you just have to click on done and the paper will be fetched automatically. Randomly questions will be picked for every student in random order. Okay. Or else you can use this fill question option so that the questions will be dynamically fetched from the question bank and will be visible to you. So when you click on fill question, you will get a pop-up that fill question, automatically pick question from question bank based on the format defined. When you click on OK, it will automatically fetch the questions. After that, the page will be reloaded and shown to you. So here you can see we have selected 10 questions in MCQ single correct. Question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the 10 questions. If you want to edit any question, you can edit it here. Okay. These are the subjective type question along with the answers. Okay. You can click on done or you can go to the preview option if you want. So here your logo, school or institute logo will appear along with the name details. Now for offline mode, if you want to conduct this paper in offline mode, then there is an option of hide answers. When you click on this, the answers will be get hidden from the question paper and only question paper will be visible to you and a print tab is there. When you click on print tab, it will automatically take the printout of your question paper in the PDF format. Along with the details, like it is a MCQ single correct, positive mark, negative mark. If you have given any instructions in part or section, that will also be visible, which can be hide using the hide instructions tab as per your requirement. So this can be taken as a printout for your offline mode exam also. Thank you.